Respected students, welcome back everyone. Today's video is about how to create mapping table or bridge table. ठीक है? Why we create mapping table or bridge table? The reason is because when we work on modeling, if you see there while connecting the two tables, if you see there is many to many relationship between two tables and you want to connect that table for creating the KPIs and all those things, and if many to many relationship is coming, so we have to create the mapping table, the bridge table. Okay, this is one of the most 100% asked question in the logical scenario based round, that is second technical round. So today we are going to see how to create mapping and bridge table. So now I am going to tell you little bit about this data, okay, this relationship, and will tell you what data is there and how to create the mapping table and connect on one to many relationship. So before starting the video, if you are new on our channel, make sure you are subscribing and pressing bell icon for all upcoming videos, and follow us on social media, especially Instagram. Now let's start with the video. Now you are able to see here there is like we are having relationship, so you can see one to many relationship on date table. It is calendar table, date, here date, here date, here date, and here on year basis it is. Okay, so now in our data there is one column known as municipality. So on that municipality also means we have to connect. So you are able to see here active relationship, but many to many relationship it is there. So now I will tell you, if you will go here to this our report view. Okay, now if you will see this municipality column, okay, let's say now if you see here count like 143 k count are there. Okay, now I will show you for all the tables properly in detail how data assessment and all those things are done, that I will teach you right now in this video. Okay, so now let's again go to count. Now here we will go to this delivery points, again count. Okay, then electric mobis, which table it is, active energy. Okay, okay, and we are able to see here this monthly consumption, and there are these many values. Okay, now remote work orders, and now we have seen the count for all the municipalities column which is there, and we have seen the count. Now let's see whether any distinct values are there. So if you will see count distinct, so it became 279. If you will see here count distinct 278, no, here also only 278. Okay, so there are not a primary key is not building, only here also 278. Or if you will see count distinct, here also 278. And let's see at least if this is there, because 479 records are only there. So let's see here on count distinct, see this also 192. So what we are able to see that in this all municipalities column there is not a single primary key, all the values are repetitive only. This now on count distinct I have taken, but if you will see the values, see 143 k rows are there. So not a single column is there which is having non-repetitive values, or we can consider it as primary key. Not a single column we have got that we can consider it as primary key. So now to create the primary key, we will create a mapping table. So even I will show you here also. Let's say uh, we are trying to build the relationship between active energy and remote work order, and let's say on we have seen municipality only here and municipality only. So see many to many relationship is building. Why it is building many to many relationship, क्यों build हो रहा है many to many? क्योंकि आपने अभी देखा कि वहां पे जब हम 6 कॉलम हमने जब पास किए, तो उसमें एक भी ऐसा कॉलम नहीं था जिसमें यूनिक वैल्यूज है. 100K रोज दिखा रहा है और यूनिक 278 478 ऐसा दिखा रहा था. So not a single primary key is there. So now what we will do, we will build a mapping table which will connect active energy or remote or anything with that. And now I will tell how to create mapping table. Okay, let's create mapping table. We will give it is name as mapping table only, we will write. Okay, let's say calculate table, then values. In that values we will pass municipality, control minus. Then bracket close and not bracket open is blank, because if any blank is there then it should remove also. Okay, bracket close, enter. Okay, so now you are able to see how many rows are there. 192 rows are there. Let's say again I will show you now the mapping table which I have taken. I will show you count for it. Okay, what is the count for it? 192. What is the distinct count for it? Same, 192. But for earlier, we were able to see the count is 100K, 200K, but the distinct count is 278, 280 something. But here count and distinct count are same only. So now what we understood, we have created primary key. We have created region mapping table, we have created primary key. Now we can go here. Now we can manage relationship, select new relationship. Okay, active whatever it is, and mapping table. So now go here to municipality, many to one relationship. Okay, many to one, save it. Okay, and one more which we wanted was like whatever the main tables are that you can select here. Active energy contract and remote work is quite important, so I am selecting that both. Again, municipality to municipality, many to many relationship it has happened. Okay. Also always check this direction also. This is also main thing. This is the way to create the mapping table or bridge table. This is the most heated 100% asked question in the interview. Definitely in second round it will be asked, and you have to answer this properly only. That we analyze first with cards all the our columns with count and distinct count. We found that all the values are repetitive only, foreign keys only there, like we can say, and tried to build the relationship also in modeling view. It was creating many to many. So after that I've created a mapping table with this calculatable values not in blank, and then connected on one to many relationship. This is the best way to avoid many to many relationship. This is the best answer. Okay, so if you have any kind of doubt, make sure you are commenting. Within 1 hour I will reply. And follow us on social media, especially Instagram. And if you are new on our channel, subscribe and press bell icon for all upcoming videos. Thank you everyone.